I've used about 150 grams of candy clay, which I've coloured with a drop of black and a drop of ivory, just to give me that lovely taupe colour. Of course, you can use any modelling chocolate for this. The Dresden tool is just enabling me to define the thighs where our llama's sitting. You want to take a little ball which you just taper off and attach that to form the tail. Form 2 small balls which you want to roll into logs, and these are going to form the front legs of the llama, which are actually bent in on themselves. So as long as you get that sort of lovely bent shape, you don't actually need to do much more than that. And you can see the candy clay just blends into itself, so you don't need to attach anything with water or with glue. Now I decided to texture the llama. Obviously there's lots of ways you can do this. I just used the end of my Dresden tool and just swirled it around the candy clay. We want a couple of ears, so I've just squashed some balls flat, and then I've just pinched the top and the bottom together to form a lovely ear shape. And again, just blend those with your fingers or using the tool into the head. Now I've swapped to white candy clay, which is how it comes, which is going to form the muzzle of the llama, and just using the small end of the Dresden tool to create just that little nose and mouth area. And then for the eyes, I've just used black dragees because they're really easy, and it's quite a small little model, this one, so it's easier than rolling sugar paste. Some eyelashes, I've used an edible pen, and then a little bit of petal dust in the ears and a little bit of blush just to give that face a little bit of character. Now I'm going to go back and put some legs and feet. I've used a ball tool just to, you can see, make a hole into that thigh area, and then just attach those legs in, smoothing it in with my Dresden, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then we just want to attach the head to the body using a cocktail stick. Fairly simple. And then this is an optional extra, but if you want to just add a little bit of colour definition, you can go in with a soft brush and some grey petal dust. And finally, for our llama, going to give her a little blanket. I've coloured the candy clay up using gel paste. You can obviously use any colours you like. I've used oval cutters because that's what I had, and then I'm just layering the different sizes up on top of each other. And then I've just used the fine end of my Dresden tool again to create a fringing, and then just stick that onto the llama. And there we go. No Prob'llama. Such a cute little topper, great for Mother's Day. I hope you enjoyed it.